In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Security and Privacy over here. Then scroll down and tap on Device Unlock. Finally, after hitting Screen Lock, tap on one of those login methods. Then choose Continue after 5 seconds and finally create your login method. Now repeat it to confirm it and hit Cancel or Enable in the pop-up. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icon set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!